Okay, today we're going to talk about how to check to make sure that your diverter valve is in the proper setting to make sure that your front end loader operates, and any additional attachments, let's say a backhoe or a third function remote. And this video only applies to a CT4000 series. So you go ahead and you try moving this down, moving that, trying that, and nothing's working. Behind the front end loader mount is this valve right here. So you're going to take a look right here, and right there you will see a slot. If that slot is horizontal like it is shown, the diverter valve is not allowing fluid to go to the front end loader valve or the backhoe or anything past the 3-point. So you can also see, if you look closely, we do have a decal right here. So right now the way that I have it set is that is not allowing fluid to go into the joystick control valve. So to properly set this diverter valve to properly allow flow to your front end loader or rear attachments, we are going to go ahead and actually come to the back side of this valve. And if you look closely, there is a turn knob with a set pin in here. You'll take and actually rotate this take and rotate that so it is horizontal like that. This will make the slot on the front side to be vertical. So now you can go ahead and use the front end loader. One additional note, that let's say your front end loader or backhoe is not working, one thing to check is making sure that your rear auxiliaries are not stuck forward or not stuck in detent, and that this is in the neutral position. That is one thing to check as well. So if at this moment you still cannot get your front end loader to work properly, go ahead and consult any other videos and or troubleshooting guides. And if nothing else works on that, go ahead and feel free to escalate a troubleshooting case on my machine.